Ako dagko, no?
Okay, so in this side answer, we have here the waterback. So waterback is easily recognizable by their rough coat and long shaggy hair under their throat and a white collar around their throat. So waterback rely on cover to escape predators and can reach a speed up to 50 km per hour. So male have horns while females don't have. So for their lifespan, they can also live up to 30 years longer. So again, those are the waterback. So the second one we have on that side, behind the waterback with spiral horn, that is the eland. So eland, one of the largest antelope species in the world in terms of size and weight. So they can stand up to 5 feet tall and weigh around 1,000 kilograms. So for their lifespan, they can also live up to 15 to 20 years. So again, ma'am sir, that is the waterback and eland. So the third one we have on this side, with Maleficent horn, ma'am sir, on that side, that is the greater kudu. So greater kudu distinguished by white lateral and vertical lines on their bodies, one of the tallest and longest horned antelope. So for their lifespan, they can live up to 7 to 8 years in the wild and up to 23 years in captivity. So male have horns while females don't have at the front. So again, that is the greater kudu, eland, and